Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and healthy. Welcome to our computer session. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 5, that is formatting text in Word 2016. In previous chapter what we have done, we have understood about the how to start Word. Okay, what are the steps to start Word? Okay, how to redo, how to undo. Now we will do a formatting in text, where in window. So what do you mean by formatting? Let us first start our window page. You know, this is the start button, beside that it has search button. You have to click on that, write word, that we have already done in our last chapter. Click on word. Click on blank document. And this type of page appear. Okay. So student, let us let us explain you again the brief definition about what is in this page. This is a quick access bar. This is the title bar. This whole is called ribbon. Okay. This is the ruler. Okay. Here you can find, if you zoom the page, you will find horizontal and vertical scroll bar. Then this is the work area and this is the status bar. So this is all about the brief definition what you find the components in Word. Now we will do the formatting. This I have already written in that, I have texted. Okay, as normally you are doing. Okay, like this. So after that, what I want to do it another another level. Okay, so in computer language it is called formatting. Okay, so what is formatting? Formatting is the process of changing the appearance and arrangement of text, okay, to make it more attractive. This is a simple text. Okay, ये कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है, this is simple writing. I want to make it attractive. दिस इज द ये अब इतना फास्ट लाइफ है कि हमें कुछ अट्रैक्टिव चाहिए ही. दिस इज द नॉर्मल टैक्स व्हाट वी हैव डन, बट व्हाट वी विल डू इन कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज दिस इज फॉर्मेटिंग. ओके, टू लुक दिस पेज अट्रैक्टिव. ओके, हाउ द टैक्स कैन बी फॉर्मेटिंग बाय चेंजिंग इट्स स्टाइल, साइज एंड कलर. क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? स्टाइल चेंज कर सकते हैं, मीन्स फॉन्ट. ओके, साइज, color. Most of the options of the formatting text are present in the font group of home. This is home. This is font group. Okay. So let us start. Okay, here written font. इस पे यहाँ इस एरिया पे ही सब कुछ आप कर सकते हो चेंजेस. ओके. Now font type, size and color. Font type refer to the shape of appearance of character. Okay, what you will do, first click on this font. Okay, you can see many fonts are there. Okay, different theme fonts. First I will select one. Okay, you know how to select. Click on the right button, click on the left button and press the right button of your mouse. Click on the font and one I will do because I have selected one. Okay, next one I again select a next line and I will go to the font and let it change. There are many, not only this, there are many. See, okay, you can take any. Okay, wait, I have seen something very nice. Here, okay, see, this is a proper cursive handwriting. Okay, so this type of many fonts are there, you can choose in. Okay, then changing the font size and color. Select the text to the formatting. अब मैं क्या करूँगी, change, अब ये हम fourth line लेते हैं. Okay, see, I have selected it. Okay, then what you have to do, you go to the home page. This is the home page and this is the font area. Okay, choose the desired font. I will choose my font. Okay, I will choose many others. Which one you like, you can select it. I will choose this one. Okay, then click on the drop down area to font size. ये आपने कर दिया. Then यहाँ पे देखो A red color, तो यहाँ पे हम क्लिक करेंगे and I can take any color. See, जो एरिया को मैंने सिलेक्ट किया था वही एरिया पे मैं कलर कोई भी डालूंगी तो वो आएगा. Suppose your color, favorite color is blue, so I will click on that. See, this is blue color. Now again I will select it. Take any color, I will take red. See, done. This is changing of font size, this is changing of color in it. Okay. So this is what about it, changing the font size and color. Okay. Then so students, next topic is highlighting text. Now what we will do, highlight the text. We'll go down. Okay, one line I will take it and I will do highlight. So where is the highlight? Font color के बाजू में था text highlight color. So I will drop down this arrow. Okay, I will take any color. This dark yellow. So this is highlighted, right? You can choose your desired color. So in this session what we have learned, we have known the how to change the font. Okay, and then okay, I have missed it. Select all. You have note the font size. यहाँ पे 26 लिखा है वो font size है, तो आपको यहाँ क्लिक करना है और जो भी सपोज सी 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 these are the font size, छोटा बड़ा अब बहुत. और यहाँ पे आप लिख भी सकते हो which font you want. Okay, suppose आपको 100, 200 चाहिए तो you will write here and the page appears according to the font size. I have kept in 20 font size. Okay, to show you this page. Okay, so students, I hope you know that how to change the font type, size and color, and changing of font size, color and type. And also we have known about highlighting text. This is what about in the formatting of text in Word 2016. After that we will know making text bold, italic and underline. Okay, so this is for all in this session. In next session we will continue with this chapter. So for that, watch this video carefully and read the textbook for your reference. Okay, thank you everyone.